food is A1, you guys. Absolutely delicious. Courtney's loving her meal.
It's all over my face.
We'll check in with you guys right after we wrap it all up. Thanks. Safe to say that this food was delicious, right, babe?
Yes, we demolished it.
Gone.
I mean, I still have a little on my plate, but
Yeah.
very good.
Nothing left there.
I would say you guys 8.5 out of 10. Very good food, and this was kind of a last minute place for us to go, so chef's kiss. All right, you guys, we are heading back to Scottsdale from Sedona, and I don't know if you guys can see, it won't let me zoom up anymore, but on the other side of the highway now, there's traffic has picked up, and granted, it is 4th of July weekend. Handcrafted
Fresh guac.
guac. Let's see.
Get a first-hand info. So good. Birthday, babe.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, love.
Thank you.
There you go. Look at that, looks delicious.
Very yummy. Guys, we just finished up at the Mission for my birthday dinner.
Amazing.
It was absolutely amazing.
So good. Everything was good.
I mean, from the appetizers to the drinks to my dessert, which was like a pumpkin
Carrot cake,
like sponge cake type deal.
Yeah, it was delicious.
It was absolutely delicious. The ambiance of the whole, or the ambiance, it's a vibe.
It's a vibe.
We had such a good time. Isaac is surprising me with something this morning. I don't know where we're going. I saw that it was Cave Creek Recreational Park of some sort. I'll give you guys my farewells just in case, but we're pretty much out here in the desert with a bunch of cattle and
no signal.
No signal. Like,
It's everything's safe.
So I have no idea where he's taking me, but we will keep you guys posted once we find out.
All right, guys, as you can see, Courtney's alive. So we made it to the beginning of the trailhead. Basically, I looked this up and it said that there is, this is a great area to go out and look for different crystals and stuff. So we're gonna do some exploring around. Hopefully you can find something for the rock tumbler, and we'll keep you posted if we find something cool and show you guys in a later video. So yeah, we're gonna continue on this adventure. Hopefully I'll show you some drone footage, and we'll just show you anything else we find cool along this little hike here. So,
okay.
All right, guys. See you soon.
All right.
Bye,
guys.
Courtney's back there having a blast, finding her crystals. She can't decide which one she wants. She wants them all.
Wow. Kid in a candy shop. I could spend hours out here.
And by the way, happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yes.
250 years.
Years in the books. And who knows if we'll make it another 250 years.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully this earth will make it another 250.
Yeah. So the next place, I'm gonna let Courtney decide. I did find that there is a local gem store that sells rocks that still need to be polished and all that, and have all the supplies for the tumbler and all that kind of stuff. So they sell a bunch of unpolished, uncut stones that still need to go through the whole process of what we're doing, just collecting naturally out here. They just go out and collect them themselves and then sell them at their shop. So
that's pretty cool.
They
basically do the hard work for
exactly. So we'll let that stew in her brain for a little bit. And the next stop will either be at the shop or at the pool. So we'll check in with you guys here shortly.
Okay.
All right,
bye guys.
Bye. All right, guys. So as you can see, we did not make it to the store, and we are headed down to the pool to go relax for a while. I don't know if we're gonna go watch the fireworks tonight. We might just catch some of it on the drone and save ourselves the hassle of having to go down and
deal with
all the headache and and we got a flight to catch tomorrow too, so we just want to keep it kind of chill tonight. But maybe we'll get some shots down here at the pool. If not, that means there was too many kids. All right, catch you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It is checkout day.
Yes. And it's still kind of cloudy today, you guys. But all in all, it's my birthday.
Happy birthday! Like we haven't been celebrating it this whole trip. So we didn't go out last night. We did have to get up at 6 a.m. this morning to get going and stuff. So we're gonna wrap up this trip and head down to the airport, and then we'll see you guys back in Seattle. So, all right, till the next one, guys.
Adios.
Bye.